Very good morning students. We are continuing lesson number 5 Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. Children, last time we studied about the Smart Art tool. Smart Art is a graphical tool allow us to draw the smart arts and present our information in a form of pyramid, diagrams, graphs and chart. Graphics are the very convenient and effective way to present our ideas and messages to the group of people. There are varieties of graphical layouts are available, diagrams are available. We can use to present our data in front of audience. Hierarchical diagram. With the help of hierarchical diagram, we can present the chart of tenses. Now today we will discuss views in presentation. Children, in PowerPoint there are different type of views are available. We can use to see our PowerPoint presentation, and every view has its own advantages and features. Normally we work in the normal view, means whenever we start our PowerPoint program we always start working in a normal view. We will discuss about normal view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view and slideshow view. First of all, we will understand that how can we change the views in PowerPoint. Children, to change the views, we will use the view buttons. View buttons are located just left side of zoom setting at the bottom of PowerPoint window. We can just click on the various view buttons and change the view of our PowerPoint presentation. Another way is the use of view tab. When we click on a view tab, there is a presentation view group and there are the view buttons available. With the help of these buttons, we can change the view of our presentation like normal, outline view, slide sorter view, notes page view, reading view. Normal view. Children, normal view is a default view. Whenever we start PowerPoint program, we always work in the normal view. In this view, we do editing work, we add the content, we delete the contents, we also add graphics, sounds, we apply animation and transition effects to our slides and objects. It is mainly used to create and edit the slides. In this we can create slides, we can delete the slides. Also, if we like, we can change the order of slides in our presentation. Normal view shows the larger view of individual slide, and in the left side pane we see the thumbnail of all the slide so that we can easily switch between the slides. हम thumbnails की हेल्प से एक स्लाइड से दूसरी स्लाइड पे मूव कर सकते हैं और डिफरेंट स्लाइड्स के बीच में वर्क कर सकते हैं. This is the normal view. In that, right side slide pane shows the current slide and left pane shows the thumbnail of all the slides. Next type of view is a slide sorter view. Children, this view displays the miniature view of all the slides. Especially it is used for organizing the slides in presentation. We can change the order of slides. We can also copy the slides. We can insert new slides. We can delete the slides. And whenever we select any slide, we find a thick border around it. This is a slide sorter view. And as you can see, slide numbers are also coming, and this time slide number 1 is current slide. Third type of view is a notes page view. Children, this view is helpful to just write the notes for the specific slide. Whenever we click on this view, it displays the image of a slide with the text box. Text box is used to add notes related to the slides. जैसे हम जब भी कुछ वर्क कर रहे होते हैं, कभी कभी हम नोट्स बना लेते हैं, कुछ रेफरेंस नोट कर लेते हैं, कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स नोट कर लेते हैं ताकि फ्यूचर में जब भी हमें वो इन्फॉर्मेशन यूज़ करनी तो वो नोट्स हमारे लिए हेल्पफुल हो. Just like that type of notes, children, we can also add notes in PowerPoint presentation. And whenever the presenter present the information, these notes are not displayed to the audience. Presenter can take the printout and use as reference. This is a notes page view. At the bottom of image of a slide, there is a text box. In that text box, we can write the notes. Reading view. Reading view is used when we want to view a presentation but not in a full screen slideshow. We want to present a presentation in a window. And we can easily exit from the reading view by pressing the escape key. This is a reading view where you can see that title of the presentation is coming. Slideshow view. Children, as you know, PowerPoint provides us presentation facility and we can present our information in front of audience, and whenever we just use the slideshow view, it occupies the whole computer screen and present our presentation. We can also see the animation effects, transition effects are coming in our presentation. And to start a slideshow, we use the F5 function key. This is a slideshow view. So please just understand about all these views and also understand the difference between the various views. Thank you.